Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how long negative information stays on an Equifax credit report. When you are monitoring your credit history, understanding the lifespan of negative marks is essential for long-term financial planning. Different types of negative information remain on your report for varying lengths of time based on federal guidelines and credit reporting standards. Most standard negative marks, such as late payments, collection accounts, foreclosures, and settled accounts, remain on your Equifax credit report for up to 7 years from the original delinquency date. For missed payments, the 7-year clock starts from the exact date the payment was originally missed. If an account went to collections and was later paid off, that collection entry can still legally stay visible for the full 7 years from the date the account first became past due. Chapter 13 bankruptcy filings remain on your Equifax report for up to 7 years from the filing date, reflecting a completed or dismissed repayment plan. In contrast, Chapter 7 bankruptcy filings stay on your report for up to 10 years from the filing date because they involve the complete liquidation of assets. Unpaid tax liens historically remained on credit reports indefinitely, but credit bureaus changed reporting standards to exclude paid or unpaid tax liens if they do not meet specific reporting criteria or public record thresholds. Judgments generally follow state-specific laws and public record availability rules, though most major credit bureaus have largely removed civil judgments due to data accuracy requirements. Hard credit inquiries resulting from applications for new credit cards, loans, or lines of credit stay on your Equifax report for up to 2 years, though they typically only impact your credit score for the first 12 months. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.